Hey guys, what's up? My name is Seep and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about all of these products. They were sent to me in the month of August and I'll be reviewing them today in this video. Another thing guys, I did get all of these products as a barter collaboration, but trust me, this video is not paid and neither are my reviews. So if you're interested, please do keep watching. Now first up, I got these three products from Urban Botanics. I'll be showing you one by one, all three, and telling you which one turned out to be my favorite. Now the first ever product that I got as a collab is from Urban Botanics, Tea Tree Basil and Neem Face Wash. Now it says deep cleansing, refreshing, stimulating, purifying and for all skin types. It's for 200 ml and the cost is 399 rupees. Now that's about the product. My review for this product is that it's a pretty decent face wash. Now for me, when I look for a face wash, I have this habit of massaging my face with oil before using a face wash. And I look for face wash that will help me take that oil off in one go. So this one succeeded in that, so I quite liked it. The only thing that I did not like, and which is still happening, that it's dripping, is that this thing, once I opened it, it doesn't shut. It just doesn't shut. So a lot of products see it's still dripping. So a lot of product got wasted because of this reason, which I didn't like, and I don't like wasting products. But yeah, that probably I just got unlucky with the defaulted packaging piece. But overall, the product worked really well. The next product that I got from Urban Botanics is the olive oil. And it's a pretty decent oil. So I like to try different oils for my hair. And the only thing that I look for in a hair oil is that it should be able to go in one wash itself. I don't like washing my hair with a shampoo twice. So this pretty much did that deal. I don't have much of hair fall issues, and I do have oily scalp. It does go off in one wash, so that's what I pretty much liked about this product. Otherwise, pretty decent buy. If any one of you are looking for an olive oil hair oil, and this is not for cooking, only for applying on skin, body, wherever, I only use this for my hair, so it worked pretty well for me. So the next thing I got is again from Urban Botanics, their sweet almond oil. Again, this is chemical free, hexagon free, additives free, and so was the other one, I forgot to mention it before, and it is for 200 ml. This product I loved this. So almond oil I have been using as a face massage oil every day, twice, for my skincare routine, morning and evening. And this helps, not just this, but almond oil in general helps to get you that glow on your face. Like, it's amazing to massage your face with. Don't take a lot of it, take few drops and just massage your face before you wash your face, and I mean, you'll see a difference. And also massaging your face really helps with letting go of that puffiness that you might have on your face. Like, my face is super puffy, so me massaging my face, and this oil is beautiful. So if you guys want, you can definitely buy it. Their products are available at Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere. So these are the three products that I got from Urban Botanics. Let's move on to the next brand. The next product is from Nature White Botanicals Organic Cocoa Powder. So I did like make brownies with it once, but because I'm so used to making it with Hershey's or with Nutella, I didn't quite like the taste of it. Maybe because either I'm used to those tastes, or I didn't like this one so much. So this is what it looks like. It smells also like chocolate, smells pretty great, but didn't taste that great. It wasn't bad, but if you use Nutella or Hershey's kind of products, you might not like this one that much. So what I don't like wasting products, so what I do is I ended up using this as a body scrub or a face scrub. So what I do is that I take this and I take a little bit of aloe vera gel or any kind of oil, or you can even mix it with curd and just apply it on your body. So it works as a very good body scrub, or you can do the same for a face scrub. Mix a little honey in it. Honey is really good for your skin. So put a little honey, mix it. So that's how I've been using this product. Yeah, so this product for eating, no, I did not like it, but I used it as a body scrub, a face scrub, all of that. So yeah. Next, what I got is aloe vera gel, hydrogel from BU Organics. Now, aloe vera gels are great. They're so versatile. They will pretty much go with everything. And this is what it looks like. I've mostly been using aloe vera gels for my nighttime like skincare routine. I will mix a drop or two of tea tree oil or neem oil for my acne and then apply it at night and massage it on my face, which works pretty great for me. The only thing that I did not like about this thing that it has a really strong fragrance, which I personally I don't like products which have a lot of fragrance in them. It tends to give me a headache. So that's the only thing that I did not like about this product. Otherwise, if you guys are okay with it, if you don't have a problem with fragrance, or if you like fragrance in products, this is a pretty good pocket friendly aloe vera gel. Next product is again from BU Beauty Refined Hair Oil, 14 herbs. Would you like me to read out the 14 herbs? If not, just skip this part, but I'm reading out what the 14 herbs are. Sunflower oil, sesame oil, castor oil. Wow, this is going to be difficult. Isopropyl. Okay, I'm just going to name them here because I don't know how to pronounce half of them. Almond oil, Ocimum basilicum, hairy root culture, coconut oil, vitamin F40, bringraj oil, brahmi oil, amla oil, methi seed oil, green tea oil, vitamin E. So it sounds like a pretty promising hair oil. Now I have not used this hair oil a lot of times. I've used this about 2 times. It was quite till top, and I don't apply a lot of hair oil when I'm applying oil. I just apply oil in my scalp. That's how you should apply, and rest of my hair I apply a hair mask, not an oil. Maybe roots a little, but not overall, just for the scalp. Now as I said earlier that I do not have a hair fall problem, so this oil also did the same thing that I look for in all oils, that it should go in one go when I'm washing it. So this pretty much did that as well. For those of you having hair fall issues or all of that issues, now the ingredients sound pretty promising, which I just read out to you. So if you guys are facing that issue, do try this out as it seems quite promising. Now the last product for the month of August that I got is Gulab Jal from Kirit Ayurved. These guys also gave me a discount code, so if you want to buy this product, my discount code is GulabJal10. I will also mention it in the description box below. Now it's a pretty decent gulab gel, rose water. I do like their packaging also. Earlier I only used Kama Ayurveda gulab gel, and more than the gulab gel I used to like their packaging because you don't get, you know, those sturdy pump bottles, you know what I mean. This one also has a really good bottle, so when this gets over I'm definitely gonna reuse it for something else, typically Indian. So yeah, and it's a pretty decent buy as well. I quite liked it. I use Gulab Jal also, being a versatile product. I use it for everything. Like I used as a toner, I mix it in my DIYs, like all of it. So yeah, this one too is a pretty decent Gulab Jal if you all are looking for a Gulab Jal. Gulab Jal. So that's it for today, and if you guys like my content, please do subscribe, like, share, you guys know the drill, and also follow me on Instagram. Bye.